How would you feel if I tell you that you can earn money without even investing a single rupee? How would you feel if I tell you your money will grow even while you're sleeping? Yes, this is possible. And this is possible with passive income. Now let me tell you passive income. I have gone through a lot of investment trainings, and I myself have been investing in real estate, in different funds. So let me talk to you about my experience. I make sure that as soon as my salary is in my account, I have an auto planned debit for my investment. That's one way you can do it. But now, today I'm going to tell you three different ways you can earn passively without even looking at it, without even worrying about it, and without even thinking, what should I do next? Yes. The first thing which you can do is you can start writing your blogs. See? Surprising, right? Is it an aha moment? Yeah, you can start writing blogs, create your WordPress account, start writing or start transforming your thoughts into words and start creating blog posts. The more your blog posts are liked, the more your reaches, the more you can monetize that. Once you have your blog post ready, if you have 15-20 blogs up and running, you can then monetize it by Google AdSense. Now if you connect your blog post to Google AdSense and people start clicking on the ads, it depends upon the click-through rate on those ads, and if people start buying from those ads, you start getting paid. See? Easy, right? So start writing blogs, and once you think that the blogs are ready, you can connect your blog site to Google AdSense. And then Google Ads will start running on your blog posts, people will start clicking on your ads, and you will start getting paid. Easy, right? It is. Number two, you can start creating your YouTube channel. Start sharing your knowledge by a video. YouTube is the second most popular search engine available in the world. People search a lot of information on YouTube. So if you have information based on your experience, if you have information based on your incidences which you have gone through, tough times, difficulties, how you overcame that, you can start documenting as a video and start uploading on YouTube. When people start joining, there is a specific criteria. You can monetize on YouTube channel as well. Again, zero investment and start getting paid. The more people start watching you, the more ads will be generated. The more people start clicking on the ads, the more money you make. Right? Passive income. The third and very easy way to generate money or generate passive income is affiliate marketing. Now, you ask me, what is affiliate marketing, Ajinkya? So let me tell you this. The best or the easiest way to start with your affiliate marketing is Amazon affiliates. You can register yourself to Amazon affiliates. You will get your affiliate ID. When you start sharing your links from Amazon to others and they buy it, you get certain cut of the percentage. You get paid while people start buying. Amazon is one of the most or one of the top most website or a commercial or a e-commerce website where people buy. You can write a blog post, add an affiliate link there. You can create a video, add an affiliate link there. So this is how you can start generating money. One, writing blogs, connect your blog site to AdSense. 2. Create videos, share your knowledge with the world, and once you're eligible, you can monetize YouTube channel. 3. Start creating your affiliate links and start using YouTube and Word and your blog channels for sharing these affiliate links. So I hope you like this video. There are a lot more information I'm going to share with you about how you can manage your life, how you can build your financial stability, how you can manage mental stability, spiritual enhancements, and physical fitness. So subscribe to my channel. The link is in the description for joining my Facebook page. You can also join my WhatsApp group. The link is in the description. And I want you to make sure that you are focused, you're dedicated, you're consistent, and you be invincible.